So don't be telling me to listen. Okay?
Okay.
Girl.
Girl.
Knock you out. Is you done talking to me?
No. Listen. My cousin don't want to tell you.
How many times you gonna tell me to listen? How many times you gonna tell me to listen to you?
I know.
I already.
My cousin call you cool.
Breathe. I already listened.
My cousin talk to you.
So what?
So what?
So I don't want to talk to him.
So she want to talk to you.
Girl, boom.
Girl, boom.
I don't want to talk no more.
Listen. You close to my cousin, you talk to you, okay?
No.
Yeah, I'm a cousin, you're talking to you. I'm a girl, okay?
What?
I'm a girl, my cousin, I want to talk to you. I'm a girl.
I know you a girl.
Okay, you mommy, okay? My cousin is, two. Not me.
Well, where's your cousin at?
She at school.
How's she gonna talk to me if she at school?
I'm gonna go pick her up, somewhere in school. Then she will drive me somewhere and I'm gonna go to school and go pick her up, okay?
All right.
Bye.
Goodbye.
I'll come back.
All right, but you done talking to me?
Mm-hmm.
All right, goodbye.
Bree, tell your mama what you said. When you was in the bathroom, you was like, when you kept on calling, I said, Mama on the phone. And then you was like, what should I call her? Should I call her stepmama? Remember you said that, Bree?
What you supposed to call me?
I said,
I'm your mama.
no, you stepmommy, and my sister don't
Yeah, I'm your sister stepmama.
No, you a sister, and my cousin said,
Bree.
Bree,
Brianna, I'm your mama.
Renata, you and your mama.
What are you supposed to call me?
You my mama, you and your cousin.